Hello everyone. My name is Asha, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, Jnanajyoti Degree College. I am here to tell about BBA course, that is Bachelor of Business Administration. Our college is having this course for more than 10 years with excellent, dedicated and qualified teaching fraternity with talented students. This BBA course is very demanding and professional course as it is having so many specializations like HR, finance, marketing, etc. And also this course is having numerous subjects like managerial subjects like human resource management, financial management, productions and operations management, and so on. And including that, other subjects also are there like business research methodologies, then business analytics, mathematics, statistics, so on. There is major advantage in this course, that is arts or commerce or science background. Any students can opt this subject or opt this course. As name itself says, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, will give the knowledge to the students about how to do the business, how to manage the business, and what is business. So, it gives managerial skills to the students. Our students are not only good in academics, they are also good in extracurricular activities like sports, cultural activities, and they have good competitive spirit by competing in various intercollegiate fest, and they have won various prizes. The main scope of this course is it is having practical approach. That means students can learn the subjects by practically by analyzing various case studies, visiting industries, and also doing project works. After BBA, they can also go for higher education by doing MCOM, MFA, and specially they can go for MBA in many specializations. And also they have so many career opportunities like in MNC companies they can join as HR manager, marketing executives, team leaders, project managers, SAP executives, and also they can join as business development executives, and so on. For that reason, our college is having good campus recruitment. And also, after completion of BBA, students can also go for departmental government jobs. So, I can tell after your 12th or PUC, BBA is the best course. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Chaitra Nirupa, who was graduated from Jnanajyoti Degree College by opting the stream BBA. First of all, I would like to thank all the faculties who was very supporting in all my activities. Everyone knew that this college is an important part in every individual's life. Coming to my college life, I would like to share some of my experience regarding my college. Starting with the infrastructure is good, tidy and hygiene, provided with the basic amenities like library, canteen, labs, auditorium, etc. I had chosen BBA as my stream because it provides numerous opportunities in the future. I was very satisfied opting a BBA as my stream because of supporting faculties, and the college provided with many facilities, conducting the projects, conducting an internship, and also encouraged with the industrial visits, which was having a greater impact on the students. BBA is not only about the business and the management. It come across many subjects like computers. The computer labs in our college is very super spacious, very efficient, and also provided with the latest software. Our college also conduct the placements. Many students of our college have placed in many top companies like HDFC, Alvasi, etc. Add on to this, our college also conducts many annual fest events and also social responsibilities. Finally, I would like to conclude that JJDC is the best for successful in the future.
Hello everyone, it's great honor for me to be here and addressing you all regarding my journey. I'm Aruna, student of Jnanajyoti Degree College. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Business Administration in the year 2014 and 15. Later, I continued my career by extending education, doing masters in business administration at Sai Vidya Institution of Technology. After completing my masters, I started working as a HR. And for this moment, I like to thank all my teaching staff, principal, and management for being a part of my success and for being with me from the journey of my graduation to till today. I extended my wishes to everyone at Jnanajyoti Degree College and who choose Jnanajyoti Degree College. So I can tell you that you have a bright future in Jnanajyoti Degree College and you can see yourself in a better position than me. Once again, I wish you very all the best and thank you all.
Namaskaram. Hello everybody, myself Priya Srinivas and I'm second year BBA student. I'm completing my UG graduation from Jnanajyoti Degree College, which is located in Yelahanka, New Town, Bangalore, Karnataka. Our institution Jnanajyoti have achieved gold medals in various sources such as in academics, sports and other co-curricular activities. We have high-tech and well-furnished infrastructure. In a short time of span, Jnanajyoti had admitted a great academic experience. Apart from great academic experience, we have well-trained and well-experienced faculties too. Our institution provides better quality learning for the students. Jnanajyoti vision to be a world-class institution with highly added new teaching and learning participants. Our college provides various types of facilities such as lab with qualified technician, library, auditorium, canteen too. We enjoy comfortable classrooms, campus and furnitures. Our institution almost hosts various types of activities such as seminars, events, fest, industrial trips, college inter-college level fest and many more. Jnanajyoti institution assure sharing and health protocol and other alternative facilities. We, the student, welcome the young talent to our institution. We welcome you to the Jnanajyoti Degree College. Thank you.